Are you ready for some winter fun? I get the pleasure of introducing you to the Snow Day collection designed by Becky Moore. I'm Amy Sonneman. Thanks for stopping by PHOTOPLAY Paper today to see this awesome collection. This collection includes 6 gorgeous papers, a 12 by 12 element sticker sheet, a collection kit, stencils, ephemera, cut apart papers, as well as color me papers, stamps, as well as coordinating dies. Let's take a look at each of the pieces in this collection. As with all of the PHOTOPLAY collection kits, you'll get 2 of each of the papers in the collection, as well as a 12 by 12 element sticker sheet. This is the bundle up paper, which includes 2 4 by 6 cut aparts and a fun assortment of 3 by 4 cut aparts. The back includes this adorable igloo with all the fun little penguins. This is the warm and cozy paper. Look at these sweet little snowmen. Snowed In features hot cups of cocoa, as well as this amazing cable knit sweater on the back. Grab your mittens and have some fun with the Chill Out paper, which has a coordinating stripe on the back that mixes and matches with all of the elements in this collection. Let it snow with this adorable Build-A-Snowman paper with their fun little hats and scarves and fun trees. So adorable. Don't forget to catch a few snowflakes with the Let It Snow paper with this adorable pink and white polka dot on the back. The 12 by 12 element sticker sheet includes 2 12-inch borders, lots of words, titles, tags, and a ton of fun icons. If you love to color, be sure to pick up the Color Me paper, which includes 12 3 by 4 cut aparts, as well as this great polka dot that you could leave the way it is or color it in your favorite colors. This collection also features the Snow Days die paper, which coordinate with the matching dies in this collection. So if you're not a stamper and don't want to color, this is the perfect solution. Pick up the set of dies that coordinate, cut out all these fun icons, and you're ready to make a great card. This collection also includes a set of stamps as well as the coordinating die. How fun is this stamp set? This is the ephemera pack. It features 30 pieces of ephemera, including fun sayings, great icons, a banner, tags, frames, a few tabs, lots of sentiments that you can add to your photos. So be sure to pick up the ephemera pack, which coordinates with all of the pieces in this collection. Add some ink or dimensional paste to the Let It Snow stencil for added fun and dimension to your scrapbook pages, your layouts, your cards. Lots of great options. Wouldn't this be beautiful? Ink blended from dark blues to light blues. Absolutely stunning. We hope you enjoy the Snow Day collection. If you want to stay up to speed with all of the new PHOTOPLAY collections, be sure to click the little bell in the corner so that you can get notified when each of the new collections gets released. Thanks for watching and have a great day.